before I go to bed, I love reading books. I love reading words and the way the pictures look.
Hi, my name is Sebastian.
And my name is Alexander. We're the Gemelos Bilingües.
We like reading books.
And we hope you like reading books too. Today's book is Me Too! When my little sister saw me riding my skateboard, she said, "Me too!" Then I had to help her ride. I had a paper airplane that I made myself. When my little sister saw it and said, "Me too!" Then she threw it in a tree. I went hiking with my friends, and when my little sister said, "Me too!" I had to carry her because she got tired. Me too! Me too! When my little sister saw us playing football, she said, "Me too!" Then we had to be too careful. When the snow fell, I got my sled and went to the top of the hill. Guess what my little sister said? "Me too!" I went skating on the pond. My little sister said, "Me too!" She doesn't know how to skate, so I had to hold her up. "Me too!" There was one left piece of cake. My little sister said, "Me too!" I had to cut it in half, even though I saw it first. When I went fishing, she said, "Me too!" Then she caught the biggest fish. I went to my secret tree house. My little sister said, "Me too!" Mom said I had to help her up. Everything I do, my little sister says, "Me too!" Today, my little sister had a candy cane of her very own. So I said, "Me too?" Guess what my little sister said? "You too." The end.
You can find this book
and many more at your local library.
I love to go to libraries, look around and search, and I read so many books that I learned a lot of words. I can tell you stories that you never ever heard, and I love to read about people different than me, and I'm thankful I can read, I'm thankful I can see, and before I go to bed, yeah, I love reading books.